At the moment, we identify a problem in the crypto market. The blockchain and crypto market is evolving faster than ever. Thousands of new tokens are launched frequently, especially in the meme coin space where different tokens are launched every minute. Don't take my word for it. Let's do a little search on DexScanner and a few other platforms. You can see that different tokens are launched in minutes, even in seconds, as you can see for yourself. Check the age and the minute it was launched and how many tokens were launched and listed on DexScanner alone, just on Solana blockchain. Most of these tokens appear and disappear within seconds as rug pull, honeypot, and scams because they have no use case or utility around them. They were developed based on an idea or trend news and a community that can fade away with time. At the early stage, they are in good profit, as you can see on the cycled space, but with time they start to go into deep losses that cause investors to cry at the end of the day. Let's check CoinGecko platform to see those that have stayed for hours to see the losses they have incurred at the moment. You can see the hours the token has stayed and on which blockchain and how much loss they have now. 11-hour meme coin are mostly in red, and the majority of them are from Solana network. Next are 3-day tokens, mostly from Solana network as well. Many are in red. They were in good profit when they were launched initially. Not all of them will be at a loss, but how do you know the ones that will be in profit for days to weeks? You don't have a crystal ball to know that. That's where we start looking for an AI trading bot that will come in to buy early and sell fast before the dip. The cryptocurrency space, more especially the meme coin session, is like a bubble that is not favorable to newbies who constantly lose their hard-earned money for lack of knowledge. Let it be known today, manual trading simply cannot keep up with high-frequency transactions, constant token creation, market manipulation, emotional decision-making. This creates a gap where speed, automation, and accuracy matter more than human effort. Now we have found a solution. Smarts. AI trading bots were designed to address this gap. Smart introduces an AI-driven, automated MEV sandwich trading ecosystem, an atomic arbitrage. AI trading bot that operates continuously without fatigue, emotion, or hesitation. Instead of reacting late, the system operates in real time, identifying opportunities as they appear and executing trades automatically, faster than any human. Smart MEV sandwich. AI bot is a multi-chain MEV trading ecosystem that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, executing real, verifiable on-chain arbitrage and sandwich trades automatically. The Smart MEV sandwich AI bot trades on meme coins, and it operates across major blockchains, including Solana, Binance, Smart Chain, and Ethereum. It uses automated execution, smart contracts, and on-chain transparency to remove emotion and manual delay. The Smart MEV AI trading bot costs $50, one-time activation fee, and delivers trading profits ranging from 0.4% to 2% daily, and your capital is intact and can be withdrawn anytime or at the end of the contract terms that ranges from 1 day to 180 days. Over 170,000 active users presently, which is almost 4,000 new users in 2 days from the last count. 1.48% profit delivered yesterday to active users. All trades are transparent and verified on the blockchain through the statistics button of each blockchain. Let's check the Solana blockchain stats. Check the trading stream of the sandwich strategy. To see all your trades. On the circle buttons, click to verify all your trades on the blockchain. The trade I just checked from the same token, same DEX platform, same amount of Solana. The trade lasts little less than 9 minutes. 7.1 Solana worth $953.42, purchased over 10 million token of token name 81041 on pump.fun platform, and in less than 9 minutes returned back to the wallet. 7.3 Solana worth $976.80, which is $23. Pure profit in minutes. All trades are transparent and verifiable on the blockchain. In summary here, it shows that 2 tokens have been swapped on pump.fun, which means more swaps are coming as it goes in and out of the trades once a new token is created. This shows that with a new token coming out every second, the bot will not lack trading opportunities every minute, which manual trading can't keep up with. The next AI trading bot from Smart AI is the Smart Atomic Arbitrage AI trading bot, which runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and operates on 2 decentralized trading platforms. It buys an asset on one exchange and sells it on another exchange instantly to profit from price differences. The Atomic Arbitrage AI trading bot was launched on the 17th of January 2026. The Atomic Arbitrage AI trading bot costs $100 one-time activation fee and delivers trading profit ranges from 0.5% to 5% daily, and your capital is intact and can be withdrawn anytime or at the end of the contract terms, which is just 120 days contract as at the time of doing this presentation. Let's check the statistics of the Atomic Arbitrage bot as we did for the Sandwich Strategy AI trading bot. Click on the MEV link on menu. We only have the Solana blockchain stats. Check the trade summary, aggregated swap of 4 token on 4 programs. It showed success, which shows all transactions are successful. Check under summary mode, interact with program arbitrage beauty. This shows that blockchain recognized that this transaction was done by an arbitrage bot, which is another passmark. You can check to see the inflow and outflow. What proof do you need again? Let's look into the next transaction. The second trade, semi-aggregated swap of 2 tokens on 2 platforms. Status success, duration less than 9 minutes. Summary mode, interact with programs arbitrage bot. Check the 2 exchanges used in this transaction. They are in and out flow swaps, as you can see, of a stable coin that is bought from a platform and sold back to the stable coin on another platform. That's arbitrage at its finest. These are the reasons why I recommend this project to anyone that wants to build wealth in the crypto space in 2026. We have been in projects that told us they are trading something and we believed them without proof. Now we have proof to show that what Smart AI said is what they are doing, and their bot is actually trading, and they are not robbing Peter to pay Paul. Let's do a little deeper transparency. Check. Let's go deeper. Not even advanced search to avoid confusing you in return. I want to clear some doubts from certain quarters. The AI targets newly launched tokens and does not win every trade. And that's normal. No trader, human or AI, wins 100% of the time. What matters is that the AI executes many trades daily, and over time, profits outweigh losses. That's how consistency is achieved. If you understand what goes on in this trading system, you will appreciate Smart AI the most. Therefore, pay attention to learn more about the system that works for you. As I check the trading stream, a new token just launched, and the AI bot is invading the token like crazy. You can see the transactions on the same token, OIL. Let's check what is happening on the blockchain and why the AI is invading this token at the moment. First, we see the summary. The transaction is successful. Then let's check the trade summary mode section to understand what really happened. This is where you see the input and output of the transaction. At times, you will see the input alone in the summary mode. That means the AI bot has not sold, waiting for the right time to do so, but in this case, we have the two transactions. By examining this newly launched token by name OIL, we can see purchase transactions, sell transactions, clear profit margins, high trading activity. The AI enters and exits quickly. It does not hold risky tokens overnight. Even when a token has security risks, the AI's speed allows it to profit without long-term exposure. A few details of this transaction. 7.9 wrapped Solana worth $1,006.76 was used to purchase 22,669,000 oil tokens on the Meteora D AMMV 2 DEX platform. When you see W behind SOL, it means wrapped Solana. That's the DEX language. Every coin is wrapped before it can be used on a decentralized exchange. And remember, I did not say token. I said coin because there is a difference between coin and token. That's a lesson for another day. Remember, I just want to get a bit deeper in the search, not advanced search, to avoid confusing you. Please stay with me. The summary still shows the sale of the same token from the DEX platform. Meteora Dam back to Solana for $1,207.77. That's over $201 in pure profit in minutes. You can see the transaction that went into the exchanger from the wallet and the one that came out with profit from the same exchanger. Now let's go a step further in our search to know if the token is a new or old token, and also check the exchange it bought the token from, and to know if they really exist. Copy the contract address of the token or click the link to see details of the token. On getting to the token page, the first thing to check is the profile summary. To see the first mint, that shows the date and time. In this case, the token was minted a few minutes ago, today, the 21st day of January 2026. Blockchain doesn't lie. That's why we trust it so much. Check the token name US Oil, name oil. The bot is invading this token for profit so much. Let's see why. I didn't plan to go this far, but the token is looking good. Checking the transfers on this token, you can see many people are buying and selling this token. In seconds, you can see many transactions. It looks hot and the bot identifies it and is doing so much transaction on it for users today. Let's check token holders. Good. You can see that over 83% of the token is already on the exchange, but the token is not locked on the exchange, which means it can be retrieved. Another good news is none of the top wallets has up to 1% of the token, which is good because more token in the top 5 wallets can be a trap for rug pull. The only thing is to check if the minter is disabled or not to determine if it's a short-term or long-term buy. This oil token looks good to buy, but that's not why I'm here, and I am not saying you should buy. Let's move a step further to check the trust of the token. But remember, the AI bot don't buy to keep. It buys and sells once it identifies profits. Trust score is checked by those that want to buy and keep, so you know if you can sell fast or keep the token long time. The token security score is not good because the token is mintable. The minter has not been disabled. The token minter can mint more tokens. That means the programmer can mint more tokens to rug pull on investors if they want. The token is not yet released to the community. They don't have more tokens in their wallet, but they can mint more and can also freeze the system. That's what made the security trust score to read not trusted. The developers may be good people for not having too many tokens in their wallets, and they will attract more investors to buy this token. But as long as they can mint more tokens, and tokens in the exchange is not locked, liquidity is not locked, it's going to be hard to trust them fully. But it's a good coin to hold for hours, even days to make profits, but not long term for me. Why this matters. Most people don't appreciate the level of work involved in meme coin trading. If you've ever tried manual trading in this space, you understand the stress, the losses, and the emotional exhaustion. That's why I personally value what Smart AI is doing. The AI bot handles token analysis, timing, execution, risk exposure. While you sleep, let's go to the DEX platform where the bot is buying the token, and also check the token on DEX scanner to see how the token is doing. I decided to check this after over an hour of the token launch to see if the token is still making profits because it looks so promising. And I just learned one thing. I can copy trades from what the bot is trading and do a little research on them and buy and sell to make some fast profit. Please don't do that except you have some crypto trading knowledge, but it's really a nice way to make more money because the AI bot always go for good tokens that just launch. This is the DEX exchanger Meteora. I am seeing memes token. This token was also traded by the bot this morning. It was traded this morning, as you can see, it's over 6 hours. It's going down now, but it was high before. See the overall profit for those that bought earlier. You were sleeping and the bot is scanning the market for you. Make the purchase and drop profit for you without you lifting a finger. Let's check DEX scanner to see the oil token. copy the contract address and paste on DEX scanner, you can see over 600% profit. That's why the AI bot was buying and selling the same token over and over again. Let's see the chart of the token to know what is happening. The chart looks so sexy, no red at all. You can see that every minute is in profit. From last 5 minutes to hours are all in profits. That's why the bot goes in and out in profit. This token looks good if one catches it early, like the bot did. Let's check details of the token from DEX scanner, showing the exchanger to buy from, showing the liquidity, market cap, and other relevant details. You see the gains and losses. Scroll down to see more details. Pair was created a little over 1 hour ago. You can search them on Twitter. Audit shows no issues, but remember, blockchain said the minter is not disabled. They can mint more tokens. Apart from that, this token is good to go, but I am not recommending it in this video. We are here to check the work Smart AI bot is doing for us, that most people don't appreciate because they don't know the level of work that goes into every trade for the profits we enjoy day in, day out. To be sincere, this 15-minute chart looks so sexy and enticing to buy and keep for just a few days or even a few hours more for maximum profit. Despite a few issues that give the token no trust score, the token looks good. The smart contract is safe. The top 5 holders don't hold more than 1% of the token. For me, that's a risk I am willing to take as a trader. It is not good to hold the token long term. Just for a few days or even a few hours will do, and you just cash out big time and run away. This token will do thousands of % rise soon. I know the AI bot must have left this token to another token, waiting for a retracement to come back. Let's see if that's the case in the Smart AI website. The AI bot is invading new tokens now. I would have shown us the ones it lost, but we have done so much on this research video. I don't want to mess up your head. Now you know why I decided to be part of Smart AI bot. Remember this: the AI does not win every trade, but it wins most of the time. And because it trades continuously, the system remains profitable overall. That's why I chose to be part of Smart AI. My story on why and how I joined Smart AI bot. Let me share my story on why and how I joined Smart AI bot. Over the years, we have been involved in many programs that eventually left us dry. They came with big promises that were later broken. Some were in Forex, some in crypto, and even one in sports arbitrage. All of them had one thing in common: a very robust compensation plan for leaders, but no verifiable source showing how the funds sent to them were actually being multiplied. They showed us concepts that were difficult to verify because of the nature of their business. And because we didn't know how to verify those systems ourselves, we chose to believe them. At some point, we joined platforms that were built on smart contracts, believing that the absence of human interference would protect withdrawals. But the same issue surfaced again. A smart contract cannot pay on its own if there is no money flowing into it. Code alone does not generate income. These so-called robust compensation plans for leaders will always drain any system, especially when the system is not actively producing income. In some cases, the business owners may genuinely want to stay for the long term. However, the compensation plans designed to attract promoters often remove almost 50% of invested funds. This makes sustainability extremely difficult. Some platforms pay 15% multi-level referral commission, 10% binary commission, matching bonuses, leadership bonuses, rank bonuses, and many other incentives. All of these payouts come directly from the invested capital. Yet on the investor's dashboard, the full amount still appears intact, while the company may only have 50% or less of that money left to actually run the business, if there is any real business at all. From the beginning, that structure does not look sustainable. But many of us still got involved and cried later because we entered without a clearly defined short-term exit plan. Today, we know better. I made a firm decision that I would never again get involved in any ROI-based system unless certain conditions were met. I told myself that before I promote anything again, it must be a real company with a sensible compensation plan, with verifiable proof that my money is being used for income-producing activities, with a structure that looks more like an affiliate system, not an ROI trap. And most importantly, it must be powered by AI. I created DreamRise AI Pioneers in 2025 because the global trend had clearly shifted toward artificial intelligence. I began actively searching for systems that use AI for business, trading, or automation, but only systems I could personally verify and approve before bringing them to the DreamRise AI Pioneers community. Many projects were sent to me, but the moment I heard the word ROI, I ignored them because they failed the criteria I had set for myself. When Smart AI was first introduced to me, I didn't even give the person enough time to explain. The moment I heard they paid ROI, I shut it down. However, after a few months, the same person came back to me, this time on a 3-way call with a senior leader. That conversation was different. I asked them to give me a few days to conduct my own research and get back to them. Based on how they explained the system, I needed to confirm for myself whether such a structure truly existed, because honestly, I had never seen anything like it before. What you saw in this video is only a fraction of what I discovered on the income producing side of the system. Then I examined the compensation plan. Here is what stood out to me. There is no referral commission on trading capital. The only commission paid is from the purchase of the AI trading bot itself, which is a normal affiliate commission, and that is healthy. There is no matching bonus, no binary bonus, no leadership ranking system, no volume maintenance requirements. You do not need to maintain any rank to earn income. The only earnings beyond trading are rebates from the profits of your downlines, and those rebates are clearly defined and transparently displayed in the profit split. With this structure, I had no choice but to give my approval to the project. At the company's recent event in Dubai, management stated that they intend to be around for decades. Do I believe them? No, I don't. Do they have what it takes to be here for decades? Yes, they do. Their compensation structure does not drain the company's funds, and from what I showed you in this video, you can clearly see that they are actively trading and generating income. They do not promise fixed earnings. Instead, they provide a range, which means they pay based on actual performance. On days the AI bot performs strongly, profits are higher. On slower days, profits are lower. That is how real trading works. If management remains prudent, this system can last for a very long time. The only reason I say I don't blindly believe the decades statement is because market saturation always happens, unless it is properly planned for in advance. As of today, however, the business is solid. I have not seen anything close to this structure yet. And if I ever do, I will be the first to let you know. Before we close, let's return to the oil token that the bot traded today and check its current price. I mentioned earlier that the token looked good despite a few issues, but it was not suitable for long-term holding. Holding it for a few days was enough. You take profit and move on. Early buyers recorded over 1,580% total profit. Check the time frames, just over 6 hours. Now let's examine the charts. 1 second, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. Even on the 1 minute chart, the token shows healthy growth. We have all been part of projects that claimed they were trading something, and we believed them without proof. Today, we no longer have to rely on belief. We have on-chain proof that Smart AI is doing exactly what they say they are doing. Their bot is actively trading. They are not robbing Peter to pay Paul. This is not about hype. This is about automation and on-chain execution. This is not about speculation. It is about infrastructure and positioning. You can see everything yourself. No gimmicks. If you are an investor, trader, or leader looking to position early in AI-driven trading systems, now is the time to explore the Smart AI ecosystem. As a user, your role is simple. You fund your account, you activate the bot, and you allow it to trade automatically while you monitor results transparently on the blockchain. You don't copy trading signals. You don't copy contract addresses. You simply activate the AI trading bot, and it does all the heavy lifting while you go about your daily life. You don't even need to understand crypto. This AI trading system removes the learning curve and allows participation in the crypto space without manual trading or technical knowledge. Take action now. Secure your position. Join the Smart AI ecosystem with the Dream Rise AI Pioneers team today. This is about being early, not being loud. Those who understand are already moving. Ask for a referral link and join us now.